Science is, at its core, a process, a framework for testing questions about the world with detailed and structured observations of it to gain knowledge and understanding. Contrary to what some may believe, the scientific process has always been a universal one, accessible to the common people, even if the largest and most newsworthy discoveries are usually left to those with greater time and resources. However, with modern technologies like AI, that reality is primed for radical change. Citizen science is becoming the new driving force of innovation and positive impact. The advent of modern artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning technologies has been near universally disruptive in the business sector, but one of AI's potentially most impactful use cases is one that may be surprising: environmental science and conservation. These powerful algorithms and models are allowing passionate and interested civilians to gather and analyze data like never before. In these times of climate change, with growing public interest in environmental stewardship and conservation, the intersection of citizen science and powerful mobile technology represents a powerful opportunity for global change, but like all science, everything starts with data. Citizen scientists are leveraging AI technology and other mobile tech tools to gather real-time, user-generated ecological data on a massive scale. The AI models assist in identifying plant and animal species presented by the user, and that data is then collected into open datasets that can be tracked, analyzed, and updated consistently with new information from the field. This level of biodiversity tracking has never been achievable before at scale, at least not outside of the walls of universities, research institutions, and government agencies. Everyday people can now contribute to important conservation work by simply taking pictures of the plants, animals, and fungi in the ecosystems around them. This intersection of citizen passion and technological power may be the key to critical conservation efforts worldwide. There is an incredible amount of scientific potential available in the current moment, and the only thing needed to start reaping the benefits is to make the needed technology fully accessible to everyday people. This is the realization that encouraged environmental tech founder Ralls to develop and launch EarthSnap, a versatile AI-powered app that allows individuals to identify the living things around them at a touch of a button. The app works by cross-referencing the traits of the subject in the photo with a large and growing encyclopedia of over 2 million of Earth's species, done using the power of AI. Combined with its social community functions, it's a compelling contribution to what Nandina Gale refers to as the Internet of Nature, directly connecting people to the natural world with ease. The idea is simple: identify what you're seeing, learn about it, and contribute to a growing knowledge base at the same time, Ralls explains. The community doesn't just use the product, it helps make it smarter and more valuable over time. When millions of people photograph plants, animals, fungi, and ecosystems, and those observations are responsibly aggregated, you suddenly get a real-time, ground-level view of life on Earth. The potential is staggering: tracking real-time migration shifts, the spread of invasive species, even changes in flowering seasons are all possible with such a flow of incoming global observations. Ralls believes that with the right ethical and responsible implementation, systems like EarthSnap and other citizen science platforms have the potential to support conservation, education, and scientific research in ways that were impossible a mere decade ago. However, the work comes with real challenges, and doing it responsibly is foremost among them. I believe deeply in the value of citizen science, but openness comes with real responsibility, says Ralls. You have to protect user privacy, avoid exposing sensitive locations, especially for endangered species, and ensure that data is used in ways that build trust rather than erode it. New technologies, used responsibly, have the potential to not only reward infinite human curiosity, but turn that inquisitive impulse into an engine for global scientific gain. With apps and platforms like EarthSnap, powered by machine learning and AI, nature discovery could become an ambient expected part of life, blending seamlessly into daily routines and encouraging new learning. The era of the search bar will fade away as people can point their cameras at the world to receive real-time insights and knowledge, get answers to questions about the world they live in, and contribute to a growing body of data used to keep that world's ecosystems healthy and vibrant. Ralls is confident that this paradigm shift will only grow more powerful over time. Citizen science will also become more structured and impactful, the Earth.com founder predicts. We'll see stronger data standards, better verification methods, and deeper collaboration between platforms, researchers, NGOs, and governments. If we do this right, A single photo taken on a hike could meaningfully contribute to conservation and environmental understanding. The technology is, after all, only in the early stages of its development. While modern media cycles encourage and reward sensationalism, there is still much work to be done before the new world of citizen science can come to pass. One of the largest challenges remains accuracy at scale. With tens of millions of species to identify, document, catalog, and process, all done with photos that can be incredibly varied in quality, ensuring accuracy while maintaining a fast and intuitive user experience can be challenging. Paired with the technical realities of managing and maintaining an app and platform through necessary change, shifting user expectations, and new development, EarthSnap and its contemporaries have an uphill battle ahead of them. However, it's a challenge that promises to not only expand people's love for an understanding of their environment, but may even encourage them to unplug a little and enjoy it. I often come back to this quote from John Muir, "But in every walk with nature one receives far more than he seeks," says Ralls. It captures something essential. Nature always gives more than we expect, if we're paying attention. That idea sits at the heart of everything I try to build, using technology to help people notice, learn, and reconnect with the living world around them.